10 Best Soft Foods Diets for Gastrointestinal. When dealing with gastrointestinal issues, a soft foods diet can provide essential nutrients while being gentle on the stomach. These foods are easy to digest, reduce discomfort, and support recovery. Here are the 10 best soft foods diets to consider. 1. Mashed potatoes, a comfort food that's easy on the stomach and provides energy. Prepare without heavy creams or spices for better tolerance. 2. Oatmeal, soft and filling. Oatmeal offers fiber to regulate digestion. Cook it well and avoid adding raw toppings for easy digestion. 3. Bananas, naturally soft and low in fiber. Bananas are great for soothing an upset stomach and restoring electrolytes. 4. Scrambled eggs, gentle on the stomach and rich in protein. Scrambled eggs are perfect for rebuilding strength without causing irritation. 5. Yogurt, probiotic-rich yogurt helps balance gut bacteria. Choose plain, unsweetened options to avoid added sugars. 6. Steamed vegetables. Mashed steamed vegetables like carrots and zucchini are nutrient-rich and easy to digest. 7. Bone broth, packed with collagen. Bone broth soothes the stomach and supports gut healing. 8. Apple sauce, a sweet, soft snack that provides easy to digest carbohydrates. Go for unsweetened varieties. 9. Silken tofu, this plant-based protein is gentle on the stomach and versatile in meals. 10. Cottage cheese, low in lactose and rich in protein. Cottage cheese is a safe, soft option for digestive health. These foods can ease digestion and provide the nutrients your body needs for recovery. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.